Good morning and welcome back. In the previous class, we were dealing with simple past tense. So, where can we use simple past tense? Simple past tense is used to denote actions that started and ended in the past. Then we studied how to form simple past tense, subject plus second form of the verb. Then and next after that we studied how to form negatives in simple past tense. How to form negatives: did plus, not plus, base form of the verb. Okay, these are the things that we studied in the last class. How to where can we use simple past tense, then how to form simple past tense, and how to form negatives in simple past tense. So hope all of you understood that much. Now today let's study how to form questions in simple past tense using question words. Okay, so before we begin this topic, let me tell you one thing, that is, questions are of two types. There are two types of questions. What are they? രണ്ട് ടൈപ്പ് ഓഫ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഉണ്ട് നമുക്ക്. WH questions and yes or no questions. Okay, yes or no question. There are two types of questions are divided into two types, WH questions and yes or no questions. WH questions എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ എന്താണ്? Questions begin with WH question word. WH question word വെച്ച് തുടങ്ങുന്ന ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിനെയാണ് WH questions എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, WH തുടങ്ങുന്നു എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ who, what, where, which, etc. Okay, then how is also included in WH questions. How ആണെങ്കിലും it is included in WH question category. Okay, so questions begin with the question word. WH question word is called WH questions. Yes or no questions എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും questions begins with auxiliary verb. Okay, auxiliary verb, helping verbs. Auxiliary verb, last class I told you what are auxiliary verbs. Am, is, are, then was, were, do, does, did, then has, have, had. Auxiliary helping verbs used in the question words are called yes or no questions. So here in this lesson, yes or no questions, they take only did only. നിങ്ങൾ did മാത്രം പഠിച്ചാൽ മതി. Okay, so did ചേർന്ന് വരുന്ന questions are called yes or no questions. So forming questions in the simple past tense using question words. So with all nouns and pronouns, we form questions using question words in the simple past tense this way. A form is given here. Question word plus did plus noun or pronoun plus base form of the verb. That is the form of question. Okay, for example, where did mother hide my comics? Where, WH question. So it is written here. Then we have to add did, where did. Then noun or pronoun, mother is the subject there. Then base form of the verb, hide is the base form. So where did mother hide my comics? Okay, then what did the girl say to the coach, etc. Now read these questions and with singular and plural pronoun. That is, where did I keep my spectacles last night? How did we solve this sum yesterday? Okay, so WH question word plus did plus noun or pronoun ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ that we have to write next. Then base form of the verb in the V1 form, base form or root form of the verb. That is how we have to form WH questions. Okay, in simple past tense. So a lot of examples are given here. Who did you meet yesterday? When did you leave for the railway station? Why did she distribute the sweets? How did it start working again? What did they tell the teacher? So for a question beginning with who, we sometimes do not use did and instead use past tense of the verb. That is, in questions begin with the question word who, we don't have to use did. ഡിഡ് എഴുതാതെ തന്നെ നമുക്ക് പാസ്റ്റ് ടെൻസ് ഫോം ഓഫ് ദ വെർബ് വി ക്യാൻ റൈറ്റ്. ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ, ഹൂ മെയ്ഡ് ദിസ് ഡെലീഷ്യസ് കേക്ക്? സോ അക്കോർഡിംഗ് ടു ദ റൂൾ വി സ്റ്റഡീഡ്, ഹൂ കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മൾ നെക്സ്റ്റ് എഴുതേണ്ടത് ഡിഡാണ്. ബട്ട് ഹിയർ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് നോട്ട് റിട്ടൺ. ഹൂ കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് നമ്മൾ വെർബിൻ്റെ പാസ്റ്റ് ഫോം തന്നെ എഴുതാം. വി ഡോണ്ട് ഹാവ് ടു സ്പ്ലിറ്റ് ദ വെർബ്. സ്പ്ലിറ്റ് ചെയ്യേണ്ട കാര്യമില്ല. ഹൂ ഡിഡ് എന്ന് എഴുതേണ്ട കാര്യമില്ല. ഹൂ മെയ്ഡ് ദിസ് ഡെലീഷ്യസ് കേക്ക്? ഹൂ വാണ്ടഡ് ടു ഗോ ടു ദ മോൾ? സോ വിത്ത് ദ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ വേർഡ് ഹൂ, വി ഡോണ്ട് ഹാവ് ടു യൂസ് ഡിഡ്. ഇൻസ്റ്റെഡ് യൂസ് പാസ്റ്റ് ടെൻസ് ഫോം ഓഫ് ദ വെർബ്. ഡിഡ് എഴുതാതെ വെർബിൻ്റെ V2 ഫോം നമുക്ക് എഴുതാം. Okay, so similarly we sometimes use just past tense form of the verb for a question beginning with how many. So with how many also, who and how many. These are the two question words. Along with, we don't have to use did. Did എഴുതണ്ട, but instead use past tense form of the verb. അതിന് പകരം വെർബിൻ്റെ past tense എഴുതിയാൽ മതി. Okay, so similarly we sometimes use just past tense form of the verb for a question beginning with how many. How many students went for the picnic? How many cherries fell? All these are past form. We don't have to use did there. So in all other question words, we have to use question word plus did plus noun or pronoun plus base form. So with who and how many, what we don't have to write did form, but just write the past tense form of the verb. Right? Now, forming yes or no questions in the simple past tense. So next rule, how to form yes or no questions. I have already told you yes or no questions are questions beginning with auxiliary verbs. Am, is, are, was, were, has, have, had. But here you have to study what only did. Did എന്ന് പറയുന്ന auxiliary verb മാത്രം മതി in simple past tense. Okay, simple past tense. So with all nouns and pronouns we form yes or no questions in the simple past tense in this way. So in this way we can form yes or no questions in simple past tense. In simple present tense aanengil we can use am, is, are. Okay, perfect aanengil has, have. Then form did plus noun or pronoun plus base form of the verb. Did, then subject, next we have to write noun or pronoun, adu kazhinjittu verb V1 form of the verb. So did the cat drink the milk? Did, first we have to write did, then noun or pronoun given in the sentence cat, then first form V1 drink. So did the cat drink the milk? Did the students make a lot of noise? Here also V1 form. So now read these questions with singular and plural pronouns. Did I do the task correctly? Did, then noun or pronoun, then V1. Did we get? Noun or pronoun, V1. Did you score? Score V1 form. Did he drop the catch? Okay, so first write did, then write noun or pronoun given in the sentence, that is the subject given in the sentence, then base form of the verb. Okay, that is how you have to form yes or no questions in the simple past tense. Okay. Now let us do the exercises given. Convert these sentences into questions. Begin with the question words given in brackets. So some question words are given in the brackets. We have to just form the questions. Use simple past tense. So we went to Europe for a holiday. So where did you go for a holiday? First is given here. First write where, then did form, did എഴുതുക, then you. So we went to Europe for a holiday. It is a question asked by Somebody. Okay, we went to Europe for a holiday. That is an answer given by somebody. So the question, where did you go for a holiday? ആരെങ്കിലും നിങ്ങളോട് where did you go for a holiday ചോദിച്ചാൽ we can പറയാം we went to Europe for a holiday. So the subject changed here. Okay, the milkman brought the milk. So the question word given in the bracket is who. So who വരുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് did എഴുതേണ്ട കാര്യമില്ല. Who brought the milk today? Who brought വേർബിൻ്റെ V2 തന്നെ എഴുതാം. ഹു ബ്രോഡ് ദ മിൽക്ക്. ഹു ബ്രോഡ് ദ മിൽക്ക്? ആൻസർ ദ മിൽക്ക് മാൻ. ദെൻ ബീന ഡ്രസ്ഡ് അപ്പ് ആസ് എ magician. So here I have given the answer key. Make use of this okay, so answer key is given there. Then Beena dressed up as a magician. So question word given here is what. So what, first you have to write what, then what ആയതുകൊണ്ട് next write did. What did, then Beena, no sufficient space. What did Beena dress up? What did Beena dress up as a answer as a magician? What did Beena dress up? Okay, my aunt made this sweater for me. Who aunt? So who made this sweater? Who made this sweater? My aunt. Then who made this sweater for you? Question. Answer, my aunt. Then I saw a pigeon under the bed. So where did I saw? This is the answer. Question എഴുതുമ്പോൾ എന്താണ് പറയേണ്ടത്? Where did you see? Where did you see the pigeon? എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോഴേ I saw നമ്മളോട് ചോദിക്കുന്ന ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചോളണം ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചോദിക്കും. Where did you see a pigeon under pigeon? Answer, under the bed. 10 children went for the exhibition. How many? Use how many. So how many children went for the exhibition? How many ആയതുകൊണ്ട് we don't have to split. Did എഴുതേണ്ട കാര്യമില്ല. How many children went for the exhibition? Then the robbers hid the loot in a cave. So where did the robbers hide the loot? Okay, where did the robbers, where എഴുതുക, then did, then subject the robbers hid first form, did വന്നുകൊണ്ട് hide. Where did the robbers hide the loot? Then they gave a story book to my sister on her birthday. Okay, so what did they give to my sister, to your sister on her birthday is the question. What did they give to your sister on her birthday is the question. Okay, everything is there in the answer key answer. Okay, then convert these sentences into yes or no questions beginning with did. Yes, Ronnie broke the vase. So answer question, we have to form question. Answer is given here, we have to form the question. Did Ronnie break the, first write did, then subject Ronnie, then first form of the verb, and then the rest of the sentence. Then no, Pankaj did not spot a zebra in the tall grass. So how will you write? Did Pankaj spot a zebra in the tall grass? That is the answer. No sufficient space here. Did Pankaj spot a zebra in the tall grass? Okay. Then next. Yes, the girls played football last evening. So answer, did the girls play football last evening? Did the girls play football last evening? Then no, Aisha did not climb the tree. Did Aisha climb the tree? Question. Did Aisha climb the tree? Question mark. Then yes, it rained heavily yesterday. So did it rain heavily yesterday? Did it rain heavily yesterday? Then no, the postman did not bring the letters last Saturday. Did the postman bring the letters last Saturday? Is the question. Then yes, Bestie found a watch in the playground yesterday. Did Bestie find a watch in the playground yesterday? Did Betty find a playground yesterday? Then no, the cat did not chase the mouse. Did the cat chase the mouse? Did the cat chase the mouse? Okay. No sufficient space for writing answers here. Okay. So everything is here. All answers. Okay. So make use of this answer key for completing the answers. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.